Next topic is percent. Okay, I hope you watched the first video. It's about the basic percent. Okay. Anyway, I'll give you an example. Okay, if I said 2%, let me write it here. Basic example, 2%. Okay, it means 2 out of 100. Percent is always out of 100, so it's gonna be 0.02 in decimal. Okay, so 20%, it's 20 out of 100. This is 0.2. Okay, or 0.20 if you want to put the zero. And then 200%, again, it's always divided by 100. It's gonna be 2. Okay, basic. Okay, first question here. Janet makes homemade dolls. Currently, she's producing $23 per month. If she increases, as a vocabulary, production by 18%, how many dolls would Janet produce each month? Okay, so vocabulary. Okay, let's convert the word increase to vocabulary. That means we're going to add. Okay, so let's write the equation here. That's 23 dolls. Okay, and she increases, so that means I'm going to add 18% per month. So 18% of this number here, which is 23 here. Okay, so that's how it's going to be. So let's solve this. So like I said, this number here it's 0.18. Okay, so this is 23. This is 23. So if I multiply 0.18 times 23, this gives me 4.12, 4.14. Okay, and then I'm going to add the original she produces. So 23 plus 4.14 is going to be 27.14. We're going to look for the closest answer here. Answer is letter B. Okay, next question. Question number 2. Two cars are side by side. One is 3.9 meters long and the other is 6% shorter. I said vocabulary, shorter. What does shorter means? In math, it means you're going to reduce. You're going to subtract. Okay, let's start with this. How long is the second car? So the first car is 3.9. Okay, and minus shorter than this by 6%. 6% of 3.9. Okay, let's change that. So this number here becomes 0.06, and that's 3.9. If I multiply that number, it gives me 0.234. I'm going to subtract it from there. 3.9 minus 0.234, it equals to 3.66 meters. That's the shorter car. We're going to look for the closest answer here. I'm going to look for 3.7. Okay. Next question, number 3. All right. The sales price of a car is $12,590, which is 25% off. Vocabulary, vocabulary. Off. What does it mean? 25% off. It's subtracted by 25% from the original price. What is the original price? So let's write an equation here. Okay, let's write equation here. So I'll put original price. I'll put OP. OP, original price. So they said the original price is subtracted by 25% of multiplied by original price is equals the new number or the new price is 12,590. Okay, I'm going to like try to solve for the OP. So if I'm going to like factor this, the OP factor, that's gonna be 1 minus 25% equals 12,590. Okay. So 1 minus 25 is 75%. Okay. That's times the OP. So like I said, let me convert this to decimal. 0.75 OP. Let me write it here. 12,590. Now, if I'm going to solve for the OP, the original price, this is multiplying. I need to take the opposite of multiplying is dividing. I need to divide this by 0.75 to leave this as OP, and I'm going to divide this by 0.75. If I divide this by 0.75, my original price is gonna be 16,786.66. So the closest answer is letter D. Okay. Next question. Oh, there's two more questions. Okay. Alfred wants. Okay, let me make it bigger. Alfred wants to invest $4,000 of 6% simple interest in 5 years. There's so many numbers. How much interest will he have? So interest, okay, interest, the formula is principal times rate times time. Okay. P means principal. Principal means your initial money, which is $4,000. Your rate, R is rate. Rate is your percentage, which is 6%. 6%, it means 0.06. And then your time in years is 5. I'll put 5 there. So if I'm going to go on the formula here, I'm just gonna plug in the values there. So my P is $4,000. My rate is 0.06 and my time is 5. Find the interest rate. Basically, you're just going to multiply 4,000 times 0.06 times 5. So you're gonna end up interest rate of $1,200. That's in 5 years. In 5 years. What does it mean? So actually the answer is this. The answer is that. But what does it mean? This is your Your 4,000 plus 1,200 in 5 years, you had like 5,200. Okay, last question. Last question. Okay. Jim is able to sell hand-carved statue for $670, which is 35% profit over his cost. How much did the statue original cost? Huh. So what does it mean? So this means that the $670, it's already additional of 35%. So 1 point plus 35%, which is 30.35. So this value is 1.35% of the original value. Okay? Original value. So what we can do right now is we need to verify. Oh, let's do the strategy. Which one that matches this number here? Okay, which one that matches this number? So I'm going to divide that number there. So 670 divide by whichever number here. Let's start with this number here. Divide by 4,900. Oh no, sorry, 496.3. Okay, if I divide that, my answer is 1.349%. Okay, looks like that's close to your number here. Huh. Let me try letter B. If I go higher, 670 divided by 512.4, it's 1.30. So B is not an answer. So this might be. Okay? This is 1.30. If I divide 670 divide 555.4, it's 1.20. Okay, looks like whenever I go up, my percentage go down. Let's try the last one. 670 divide 588.20. This is 1.39. So my answer is letter A. This answer is 1.349.